power source, we've got one 5-volt pin in use, which is the red wire. We've got 2 grounds. So the 5 volts comes down, goes into our potentiometer. There's the ground returning, and then the 3rd pin, which you can't see, down here, will vary between 0 and 5 volts as we turn it, and that feeds into the shared path down here, where behind here we've got our resistors, which we need to protect the LEDs. So these are all then 6 resistors in parallel. So all these 5 volts coming out, and each one then drives an LED. So there's the 5 volt for this one, and so on. Off the back of these, we have the ground being sort of daisy chained, and then all the grounds are brought together, very simplistic, in this little PCB here. So I've got all my grounds being shared to one, which then goes back to the 2nd ground pin. And there we go. Now we can have a fully controllable backlight circuit.